So, my student, welcome to my class. You need to copy in your notebook the date, topic, performance. The topic is poster and performance. Write sentences using used to. The activity for today is that you start to create a project, small project. This is your homework. Okay, the activity is you need to, I am so sorry, you need to design a poster, and in the poster you write sentences using used to with the verbs like, were or play. Vamos a crear un póster donde vas a utilizar used to con los verbos like, were and play, or other verbs that you like. And okay, step by step. First step, you plan a poster. Okay, when I was child, I used to play soccer, or I used to play with my friends. Okay. Second, you design the poster. You draw when you was a child, smaller, and you design a poster. You draw the picture, or I don't know that you like, and write sentences with used to. You write, I used to play on the street. I used to wear long pants. I have an example. I have a picture. Look. In this case, is he. He used to play yo-yo. Oh, no, this is not yo-yo. He used to play on the street. He used to wear long pants. He didn't used to wear short pants. He used to like to play with his brother. Okay, this is the project. This is your homework, and only five sentences is good. 5 sentences. If you like to write more, it's okay, but 5 sentences is good. Okay, this is your homework, and you send me this homework, please, and I wait for your homework. Beautiful, beautiful homework. I know that you draw very good and you understand, and see you soon. Bye.